Hello, and welcome to Mr. Allen's Speech and Language Access. In this short video, I will show you how to connect to Mr. Allen's Speech and Language course in order to have your speech or language session. This is a Zoom session, and to connect to it, you need to first get to Mr. Allen's Speech and Language course. This can be found on the dashboard tab of your Canvas page. Now you might find your class course there, but if you also accepted my invitation for speech, you will also see Mr. Allen's Speech and Language at Oropesa course. If you click on that course, that will take you to my speech and language page. Once you get to that page, you will see the icon that looks like a video camera. You simply click on that icon, and that should take you to the Zoom room or the Zoom waiting room. Once you get to the Zoom waiting room, I will connect you to your speech and language session. The speech and language Zoom room is open throughout the school day. However, you should only try to access that room when it's your speech and language time. While in the waiting room, please wait a minute or two before I connect you. I may be dismissing a previous group and will need to have a minute or so before I can let you in. There were issues of some students not being able to get connected. The reasons for those issues have all been taken care of. And once you get into the speech Zoom, once it is over, I will exit you from the room, which will take you back to the Zoom page. From there, if you need to get back to your teacher's class, you simply click the back button or back arrow, which will take you back to my course in the Canvas. And you can then click on the dashboard, and from there you should see your teacher's classroom course, and then you connect there. So that's it. That's how you get connected to your speech session with Mr. Allen. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon in speech.